Hello and welcome to MargBooks. Today, we will learn about the customer-wise outstanding feature. When we make a cash sale, we generate the bill in the customer's name and receive the full payment at the same time. However, when goods are sold to a customer on credit sale, the payment is received at a later date. In such cases, the Manage Outstanding feature helps you keep track of pending payments. With this feature, you can easily check how much amount is still receivable from each customer. First, let's enable this feature. Go to the dashboard, click on Settings, and open Control Room Settings. Now, type Manage Outstanding in the search bar. When the setting appears, enable it. After that, click Close and then Save. Once the setting is saved, the Manage Outstanding checkbox will appear in the Customer Master. You can use this option for both existing customers and new customers. For any customer with this option enabled, all credit sale bills will be saved as outstanding in the general ledger. Now, let's view the customer-wise outstanding report. Go to the Reports menu. Then, click on Outstanding Reports and select the Customer-wise outstanding option. Here, you will see the complete details of the outstanding amount for all customers. Now, let's understand the process of receiving an outstanding payment. Go to Accounting Transactions and click on Receipt. Now click on the Create button to open a new receipt entry. Here, select the General Ledger and enter the amount being received. After that, the outstanding window will open automatically. Now, enter the customer's mobile number in the search bar from whom you are receiving the payment. As soon as you enter the mobile number, all the pending bills of that customer will be displayed on the screen. Now, select the relevant bill, adjust the amount according to the payment received, and finally save the entry. This is how you can use the customer-wise outstanding feature to easily track your customers' outstanding amounts and properly adjust the payments once they are received. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.